Okay, welcome to the next one. This one is another Amazon unboxing and impressions. So this is a ZulBozz. ZulBozz pocket knife, folding gifts for men and women. Don't forget, men and women. Let's do that right. Alrighty. This was not much. I don't know. I'll post how much it is. I can't remember. 15 bucks or something. But it looked impressive for what you got. Huh, there you go. There we go. In the box we get styrofoam. A styrofoam cover. And what looks like a Megaron box. But it's not. Okay. Get you out of the way here. And we have D2 steel, feels like steel on the handle. It was interesting, I'll tell you that. It is a liner lock, back flipper. Okay, it's pretty impressive, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie one bit. That is very impressive. It is a captive pivot, which looks like a flathead. Who the who's using flatheads on a knife in 2025? I mean, really? Come on. Come on. It's not that heavy. Surprisingly, I thought this was going to be like a really heavy knife. It is not. Not very heavy at all. I'm missing some light here. There we go. Okay. We have 126 grams or 4.4 ounces. And let's just go ahead and pull up what this thing is. Oh, sign me in. There we go. Okay. This is called ZulBozz 8.8-inch D2 blade pocket knife for outdoor camping, hunting, survival gear, tactical knife with clip unboxing tool. Well, it says red handle, but I guess they're sold out. So we have the black handle. Christmas gifts for men and women. Look at that. Okay. I thought it had detail lash, but that was just not locked up. Okay, a nice liner lock in there. Does not appear to be milled on the scales. Well, at least not on the show side, but on the liner side. That is milled for the liner. Kind of like a faux carbon fiber weave inlay there. Probably just some kind of a laminate. Interesting blade shape. Kind of like a Tonto type. I don't know what you would call that. It does remind me a little bit of the Wii. What is this called? That one. Kind of. Or maybe, oh, I know what it looks like. Maybe more reminiscent of a Toth. No, yeah, a little reminiscent of the Toth. More like the Wii, but I'll think of what model that is reminiscent of. Very unique blade shape. So this is a, we'll just cut to here. So it's very Tonto-ish with a flat grind. Interesting. Kind of cool looking though. Definitely a big knife. Interesting blade shape. Handle is 5 1/16. Blade is coming in at 3 13/16 with an edge of 4 inches, just shy of 4 inches, like a 32nd under 4. Cool. That's interesting. A little backspacer in there. Looks like the pin or screw goes all the way through the backspacer. There's probably a nipple or something in there that's locking it in. A little place for your lanyard. And okay, let's see. That must be aluminum, because that is not. Okay, steel pivot, steel blade, imagine that. Steel pocket clip, steel hardware. That backspacer and scale is not magnetic. Pretty cool. Reverse flick is not bad. Liner lock, reverse. Okay, so they have a red version left. It is $34.99 with a 20% off coupon. Okay, so it was $35 with a 20% off coupon, and with tax and everything, I paid $29. Okay, so the ZulBozz on there. I don't know about that. That marking on there. Pretty cool knife though. For $30. Yeah, pretty cool. Good lockup. Up and down, no movement. I'm getting pretty solid on the liner to the blade. No complaints. Interesting kind of Tonto shape there. And stone wash, that's like a bead blast finish. Aluminum scales with a faux carbon fiber. Looks like it's kind of like a carbon fiber laminate. Maybe that is weave carbon fiber. It's a very thin layer of weave carbon fiber. It's hard to tell. See the reflection there. Looks like it's got a little texture inside there, but pretty cool. Since we got the PM2 out, there it is, up against the PM2. Not a little guy at all. Get the Tenacious. Pair of 3. The Benchmade bug out. The Mini Adamus. The Demco 80-20.5. Boom. The Flytanium Arcade. And the Gale Bradley 2. And we'll leave it there. If you're on Amazon, I might as well give you an Amazon knife. Worth getting. The thing, whatever that is. Tells you it makes a mark when you can remember the name. Shanzhou Peafowl. The Shanzhou Peafowl. The Shanzhou Peafowl is the winner between those two. That's probably the best Amazon find out there. You have to find anything that compares or beats it when it comes to Amazon finds. If you liked what you saw and you want to see more, give me that YouTube loving and you'll find me in the next one. That's what I would say if we had compared Ida. Ida losing in blade, losing in edge, and winning in the handle. Thank you, Ida. Get yourself an everyday X. Everybody needs one. And this time is for real.
I made you a logo.
I love it, buddy. But you gotta sign it.
MR Knives, Jack.